Let us break down the Volatility 100 index market structure. So what we're going to be doing is a top-down analysis, or you can call it a multi-time frame analysis. So this means we're going to be analyzing across several time frames. Okay, right now we are on the monthly time frame, and let's start our analysis. Okay, I can see going back to the past, market grabbed liquidity here, and after grabbing liquidity, we saw for 1, 2, 3, and 4 months, or let's forget about this last candle right here, for 1, 2, 3 months right here. Sorry, for 1, 2, and 3 months, market was moving downwards. And after that, this candle is sort of an indecision candle somehow, or a reversal candle. You can see the wicks to the downside is almost equal to the wicks to the upside. So it means the market was actually moving up and down, and at a point it was not sure which way to go. Okay, let's go down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see a better structure. We can see market was breaking structure to the downside, retracing, and right now it broke structure to the downside, and we are currently in a retracement phase. Now let's mark this better. Okay, this was the last break of structure right there. So in this case, I will always mark out my supply zones, the possible places that market can actually react from. And right now, this is the best supply zone that I have right here. We also have this one right here. You can see this impulsive move after that, but it is actually not a fresh zone. But as you can see, this week has also touched it. So for now, let's focus on these two zones right there. So what this means is that on the daily time frame, this is the weekly. On the daily, we should be expecting to see markets do something like this and break the last low. When this happens, we expect a retracement to this point or even beyond. We expect that retracement, and when the retracement happens, we will enter and have a new target. Okay, so right now let's go down to the daily time frame. Okay, now as you can see on the daily time frame, if you trade Volatility 100 index, you will know that market has been so choppy for over a week now. Market has been so choppy. It has continued to move in an internal range right now. Okay, let's just see what structure did here. Structure was broken to the upside right here. Okay, but you can see there was no clear retracement, so we'll go down to the H4 so that we can see things better. Okay, now this was that break on the daily. You see on the H4, that is a break. Now for someone who does not look at multi-time frame, the person can simply be seeing a downtrend. The person can say, okay, market days, it broke structure to the downside. No. We are not yet in a downtrend. It's always good to start from the left side so you won't make a mistake. You can see this. This is what market was doing. We had a new low right here. And for several days, market kept ranging in that place before it finally broke structure to the upside. Oh, my color is not nice at all. Okay, okay, let me use a different color. Yeah, this is better. I hope you see it. So I was saying market kept ranging in the middle, and finally it broke through the upside. So this is the new low right here. Of course, this line is not straight. Okay, let me use this. Let me use the normal line so you don't get confused. Okay, this is the last low right here. Everything you see inside this place is within this range. Please don't start marking these things as your lower low and lower high. You will get burnt in the process. You will get burnt, you will get stopped out. This structure was broken to the upside right here. My line is not straight, please pardon me. I think I'll make that thicker just so you can see it better, and probably change the color to something brighter. Okay. Oh shit, I changed the wrong item. Where is that rectangle? Okay, let's change it back to something deep. Oh no, no, no. Sorry about this. I need to fix this. Okay, I think this is better. Now, after market broke structure to the upside right here, what did markets go ahead to do? You can see after that break to the upside, this was a break to the upside, markets had a retracement. Now, because of what was happening mid-range right here, this choppy thing that was going on right here, you can see we had so many demand zones. This is a demand zone. This is another demand zone right here. They are all intersected. They are all intersected. So I'll just take this out. I'll just delete these things. Okay. I don't want this to get too clustered. Now, after this break of structure, market pulled back. It has pulled back here. And market is ranging again. Market, see, if I were you, if you are not a good scalper, please, at this point, you should wait. Look, the market does not pay you for being early. The market pays you for being patient and good, knowing the right place to enter and the right place to get out of the market. Right now, I'm going to wait. It is either market will come back and break this high, or it will break this low right here. So if I want to trade for any reason, then I wouldn't be looking at the higher time. Okay, yes, I already know what the higher time frame is doing, but what I'll be doing right now, if I want to really trade this, is I'll probably go down to the H1 and see what structure is doing. On the H1, I will just say, okay, market was breaking structure to the downside, and I'll be looking for sales. And right now it has broken to the upside, so I'll probably wait around here and see if I can get an entry to the upside. This is what I'll be doing as a scalper. But that's, just have it at the back of your mind that you need to play safe, because the market can actually turn its back on you and hit your stop loss. So right now, we are basically still on the uptrend in Volatility 100 index, but we are ranging. We are ranging in the middle right now, or the price is ranging rather. I hope you understand what I mean by we are ranging. What it simply means is that the price is ranging. There is no clear direction. Overall on the H4, we are still moving to the upside, but because of what we are seeing in the internal market structure right now, we can say we don't have a clear internal market structure direction. So at this point, now this is all happening because remember, we are in a daily or a weekly, we are in a weekly supply. So this is market trying so hard to take a decision to either continue to the upside and break those break those supply zones, or to just break low and change direction to the downside. So whatever happens, you can only scalp Volatility 100 at this point. If you are good with scalping, go down to the lower time frame and take trades, take fast trades, scalp the market, get out as fast as you can. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe for more premium educational content. Thank you, and see you in my next video.